Hello everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you'll want to get to know me. By the end of the video, you'll hit that subscribe button. So I found some good clearance stuff over at Walmart and I wanted to share it with you guys. I got some Christmas gifts, but I also found some clearance items and I thought, oh my gosh, I wanted to show you guys the in-store. There were so many people though, there was no way I was going to be able to film in there. So I'm just going to show you everything that I got. Now, of course, Christmas on a budget. I have 4 children to buy for, and then I've got parents, and then I've got, you know, brothers, sisters, my great nephew. So, all right, let me just show you. These were not on clearance, but they were in the Christmas section. You guys know that every year they've got like little sets, little different things that you can buy that are pretty cheap. This here, how can you go wrong with like hot chocolate and marshmallows and a mug for the older kids? This here was $5.48. Nestle. So I got 2 of those, one in blue, one in white, and that'll be one for my 25-year-old and one for my kid. Connection is usually priced very affordably. This here was $4 though. Look at this. Check this out. Yeah. So it's got like a little guy, it's got the dinosaur, and it's got something, I guess the dinosaur can go in here. I don't know. I think so. But anyhow, for my great nephew, who is 1, absolutely, definitely. Then I picked up this here. It was $5. $5. It's just what, remember those punching bags from when you were like a kid? Well, some of you will remember this. This has got, it's all blow up. So you blow it up, air, you got gloves, and you've got the dinosaur in here, and you just whoosh, 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 you know? So I thought that was kind of cool. I found also on clearance, Disney Mirrorverse. This here was $9. It's Jack Sparrow. My son does like action figures as well as his games, Xbox and everything, but he still likes these. Then I picked up some stocking stuffers and I got a bunch of these. This one's for Kayla. And I've got, I don't know what this is. What type of animal is this? I'm not sure. These were $3 a piece. Then I also got a Yankee candle for $16.88, and then I got $3 back from Ibotta for that, and that was for my daughter's nurse, Sandra, for her birthday. Let me see, was there anything else? Oh, yes. Let's go back into the bathroom and let me show you this. What a neat little gadget. What a neat little gadget. Okay, so you just put that little doohickey in here. So the first, it's supposed to last for 30 days. The first fragrance and the warmer itself came together in a kit. It was $9.94, $9.96, something like that. Recently signed back up to get reinstated with Scentsy. I love candles, I love warmers, I love all those things. Sometimes Scentsy has really great sales. Like they've got Scentsy buddies. I've actually got a few of the older ones on my bed. I love them because they have scent packs in them and you just squeeze them and the scent, oh, amazing. I got those like 10 years ago and it still has the scent, you know, the scent pack in it. So anyway, at Walmart has actually gotten better with their warmers. I've noticed that. But the thing that I put in my bathroom, that diffuser that costs $9.94 for the starter oil and that, I smelled that all the way out in my other room this morning. I put that in my bathroom last night. So I have to tell you, I love stuff like that. So that's everything I got with my Walmart haul. What was your favorite item? Did you see any of these items at Walmart? Let me know. Are you using Ibotta yet? If not, you might want to check out my other videos because I've saved lots of money. Every time I go to the store, I go shopping, I go ahead in Ibotta and I see what's in there. I check things off on my list. If that item is something I want to purchase, I purchase it and then I upload my receipt and bam, I get some cash back. Every penny counts. That's just the way that it is. And yeah, so thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I will see you guys real soon in another one.